Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are making some Panda Macarons. So, oh my god, these are so cute. And if this is going to be your first time making macarons, you don't have to worry. They're actually super easy to do if you follow my instructions. So, let's get started. Okay, so first you want to combine the confectioner sugar and almond flour in a bowl and sift it 3 times. Place the egg whites in a large bowl and beat with an electric mixer until foamy. Add the cream of tartar and beat until soft peaks form. Add the superfine sugar and beat on high speed until stiff peaks form. Add the vanilla extract and gently fold with a spatula to combine. Then sift the dry mixture into the egg mixture and gently fold to combine. Divide the batter into 4 bowls and leave one bowl white and dye the other bowls black, pink, and green. Place the batter into piping bags and snip a medium-sized hole at all of the ends. And line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a Silpat baking mat, and I'll link one down below if you want to pick one up. To make the pandas, pipe white rounds onto the baking sheet, then pipe black spots as their eye patches and their ears. Then to make the accent macarons, just pipe little hearts with the pink batter and leaves with the green batter. Tap the baking sheet on the counter several times to release any air bubbles, and allow the macarons to rest at room temperature for 30 minutes, and this is going to create that little shell that you see on top of them. Set the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and heat for 5 minutes. Then reduce it to 325. Place the macarons in the oven and bake for 6 to 8 minutes, rotating the baking sheet halfway through. Allow the macarons to cool completely on the baking sheet and leave them at room temperature overnight so that the surface stiffens. Then you want to use your edible ink pen to draw the panda's eyes and veins on the leaf, and I'll link one below if you don't have one. These are so handy, you can literally write on every food. It's so cool. Then place the Nutella into a piping bag and snip off the end to create a medium-sized hole. And then just pipe Nutella onto half the macarons and place a matching macaron on top, and you are done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you have any other shapes macarons you would like me to make, let me know in the comments down below and I will make them. These are so cute and they brought me way more joy than I expected. So I'm like, now I need to make every animal in macaron shape. Oh my gosh. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video.